rot repair can cause a delay to your siding project. Thankfully on this home, when we demoed the old siding, all of the sheathing was in great condition, so we were able to put our vapor barrier up right away and ensure that it stayed protected. If there was rot under here, that would be a different story. Hi, I'm Kevin with Pacific Exteriors. We're out here walking a site today and I wanted to take a moment to go through some of the potential delays that can come with your siding project. Most projects can take 3 to 4 months from contract signature to completion of project, but the siding itself is only going to take about 2 to 3 weeks out of that. So let's go into what can cause that delay in the scheduling. Most homeowners think their project is going to start as soon as the contract is signed, when in reality, there's about a 2 to 6 week break in between contract signature and crew arriving on site to begin the project. But this isn't wasted time. Your project manager is going to be scheduling an in-person consultation to go through all the details of your project, do a full walk around the property, and ensure all the details are accounted for. He'll also be ordering the materials, planning the deliveries, and ensuring everything is ready to go for your start date. Even in poor weather conditions, the crew can still demo your old siding and get your vapor barrier up. What they're going to do is get all of that old siding off of the home to expose that sheathing. We're going to inspect for any areas that are water damaged. And in the case of this home, all that sheathing was still good, so we immediately put this vapor barrier up. Once this barrier is up, your home is protected. It can rain, it can do what it wants. Your sheathing is going to be just fine and we can continue with your project. Another common item that can cause delays in your siding project is doing rot repairs. When the crews are moving the old siding, they may find areas of damaged sheathing that's got water on it and has began to fail. If your contractor is experienced, you should have planned accordingly for finding these types of items. In this case, we've already ordered 3 sheets of OSB to have on hand just in case the guys need to make repairs, and that's going to cut that delay time down to only a couple hours while they do the repairs instead of waiting potentially days for that material to get delivered and holding the project. Another item that can cause potential delays to your project is toxic substances such as lead paint. Lead paint does require a specialized process to remove it. Crews are going to need to wear protective gear such as Tyvek suits, eyewear, masks. We're going to need to lay plastic all over the ground to catch all those paint chips. But if your contractor is experienced, this should cause little to no delay. Design decisions can also cause delays in your project. Deciding which material you want to use, colors, all of those decisions shouldn't be rushed, but they need to be made so your project manager can order the material accordingly. Thankfully, we have a third-party reveal design service you can use. Your project manager can get you samples of different products as well. We can do everything we can to help you make that decision, but ultimately, it's got to be made in order to get the material on time. So those are some of the most common delays that can come with your siding project. But if you choose your contractor correctly, you can mitigate a lot of that downtime. We've also done a video on that you can watch right here. If you're looking to get your siding project completed, feel free to visit our website and sign up for a free estimate. Thanks for watching.